Hi everyone, this is the Bedford project which we just finished for one of our investors. So we should have seen few updates before, but now this is the finished product, or I would say semi-finished. Everything is new doors, new kitchen, new bathroom. So it's a beautiful bathroom, we love it. If we turn here, it's a small galley kitchen which worked quite well by remodeling a little bit. It's not the biggest kitchen, but it has everything which a person needs to have here in a one bedroom flat. It's the bedroom, and here is where the gas boiler will be installed. Let's go to the lounge, which is a very spacious, good sized lounge. So we're waiting for the gas connection to be connected here, and here all the brand new doors, skirtings, facing and so on. From beginning to finish, that project was 6 weeks, which is not bad considering that it had lots of logistics, and we insulated everywhere, solid insulation for the external wall and so on. So our investors should be very happy. See you later.